Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how the daily collection will work in Jainam Software. So in field collection the customer sometimes will not be available, or sometimes customer willing to pay less or more amount, or may be available for few days and want to pay in advance. So if you are managing your microfinance on paper or on Excel, it is very difficult to enhance your business. So here in Jainam software, staff can log in and make entries, and the customer also able to log in and make digital payment. So just have a look. From the HR management, go to the employee list. So here I have created some employees, that is their user ID and password. So after that, go to the group management, and here I have created some groups, South region and Pune. And from the master setup, I have done some setting. I want to go to money lending, and the is list assignment mandatory. So staff will view the customer loan information as per the list assignment. So just write yes value and just save this. After that, go to the master setup product scheme, and let's create one product scheme for loan, personal loan. Let's take 5 days for 20 week, and the rate of interest, let's take 3% for 100 days at the interval of 5 days. So just save this, and we have saved this successfully. Now go to the field collection and list assignment. Here you can see I have assigned some groups to that some particular staff. So I will take this South region, and I want to assign this to Sham, and just I click on the assign. So here you can see I have assigned this to the Sham also. Now just I have created some loan. Just I will search loan number 22. So this customer Praveen has assigned to that Sham, and I have created loan against him. Now from the installment tracker we can see how many installment we have received. So we need to receive this amount. So what we can do, just sign out from here and sign in to that staff profile. So this is staff profile Sham, and go to the loan collection list, and here you can see this customer Praveen, loan number 22. So 1760 amount is we need to receive. Now let's take 1000 the customer want to pay, and just receive this amount from here. So staff has received 1000, and just skip this customer. Now just sign out from here and log in to the admin profile. Now just go to the field collection report and to the collection by staff. And just refresh this as on date. So here you can see the Sham has collected 1000. Now the admin can just click this and verify this amount. So the 1000 has been verified. This type the staff can receive amount and the admin can verify this amount. So let's take this customer. Just search customer Praveen, which is assigned to that Sham. So let's create loan against him. Just click on the loan and the product scheme I have created for 5 days for 20 week. So just click 10,000, write 10,000 and calculate and just see. So it is loan is created for approval process. So go to the loan approval, customer loan approval, and here new request. So here you can see the Praveen new request has come. Just click on approved and change the status. And now go to the approved section and here you can see the disburse loan manually. So from here you can disburse this loan manually and the loan number 83 has been created. So let's search loan number 83. So you can see I have created that product scheme 5 days interval for 20 week and 10,000 principal amount. So click on the installment tracker. Here you can see the amount installment is every 5 days and principal amount is 10,000. And you can see the passbook detail also from here. The passbook, some charges has been deducted, that is 500, and loan given is 9,500. So this type we can create loan and we can receive the amount from the staff login and the admin login as well. So this type we can manage the multiple loans and multiple accounts in Jainam software, and we can enhance our business in Jainam software. So friends, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.